In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Linkin.bio by later. If you've ever wished your Instagram feed could be clickable, this is exactly what you need. Linkin.bio creates a simple landing page that mirrors your posts and adds clear buttons, so your audience can tap through to the right place without hunting for links. Start by logging into your Later account on the web or in the app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for your brand or project. If you manage multiple profiles, double check the account name in the corner so you don't set things up in the wrong place. Next, look to the left-hand menu and choose Link in Bio. This opens the editor where everything comes together. You'll be prompted to create a Linkin.bio page username. This becomes the unique URL for your page, so keep it short, on-brand, and easy to remember. Avoid special characters, keep it consistent with your handle if possible, and choose something you're comfortable sharing publicly. Now add the buttons or website links you want people to visit. Think of these as your always-on calls to action: your shop, a contact page, a new collection, or a newsletter sign-up. Use clear descriptive button labels like Shop New Arrivals or Book a Consultation so visitors instantly know what to tap. Put your highest priority links at the top and keep the list concise for a cleaner, faster experience. Connect your Instagram account so Later can display your posts on the Linkin.bio page. If you've already connected Instagram to Later, you'll see it here. If not, follow the prompts to authorize access. Grant the necessary permissions so your feed thumbnails and publishing tools work seamlessly. Finally, when you're scheduling or editing a post in Later, look for the Link in Bio section in the Post Composer. Paste the exact URL you want people to land on for that specific post: your product page, article, event sign-up, or video. Save your changes. That post will now appear on your Linkin.bio page as a clickable tile that routes visitors straight to the right destination. If you need to fix a link later, just open the post in Later and update it. No need to edit the original Instagram caption. And that's it. Log in, open Link in Bio, create your username, add your key buttons, connect Instagram, and attach the right link to each post as you schedule. With a few thoughtful labels and consistent linking, you'll turn casual scrolling into meaningful traffic in minutes.